simplify 12 choose 9. Well, we use our formula for 12 choose 9, and that is equal to 12 factorial divided by 12 minus 9 factorial times 9 factorial. So this would be equal to 12 factorial divided by 3 factorial times 9 factorial. And now to simplify this, let's write 12 factorial as 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 factorial. And this is over 3 factorial times 9 factorial. We can remove a factor of 1. The 9 factorials are divided by themselves. 9 factorial by 9 factorial is 1. So what we have then is 12 times 11 times 10 over 3 times 2. And when we simplify that, we'll find that 12 choose 9 is equal to 220.